Shit, right now I'm in motherfucking Old Town thugging it, nigga. Last night I almost had to slap me a little nigga. I'm getting out the elevator, right? This little nigga asked me, do I know where the tattoo shop at? I say, nah, homeboy. So right before the elevator closed, he gonna say something real slick, like you little scruffy or something. I say, what, homeboy? Little punk ass little nigga. I think he just wanted to say something to me. I was looking so fresh and so fly on them suckers. Right now I'm finna go in surf shop, see what the fuck bathing suit I can find for my cupcake, nigga. Oh yeah! Getting out the Chevy right now. You feel me? Traverse, nigga. You know, that's how we do it. Real nigga shit. Got my Mario swag on today. You see it? Okay. You see it? I match, nigga. I'm always matching. Always shining. You know what I'm saying? And don't ask what's in my cup. You already know. Y'all better get y'all child. I whoop little kids. I do whoop little kids.
But they all got M&M shirts.
This family got on the whole line of the M&M wear. Yellow, blue, green, red. Shit here crazy. Fuck wrong with these country ass Spanish people in Orlando. Oh yeah!